Got the crew. Got the crew in the hot tub. Two beautiful babies and one sexy lady, folks. What can I do? What can I do? There's one thing missing, though. One thing missing. Where my second lady at? Come on, babies. Yay! It's a little slow, Maria.
No, but... Give me them.
I want it in a mason jar, baby. Don't be drinking my beer. Using that grease for a second round. You may proceed. Well, you were dancing instead of digging in your butt. How about dancing? Babe, try the Halloween creeper.
What's wrong?
Hey, girl. Oh! A lot of comments, folks. Apparently some of y'all out there think I'm frying too much food. Let me tell you something. I grew up in the backwoods of Mississippi, and I've eaten more fried chicken than most, and I'm still alive, and I'm in great shape. So you know what? I appreciate y'all looking out for me. I really do. But I'm gonna tell you what. We love fried chicken. And my goodness, Filipina wife number 2. When you say loves fried chicken, that's an understatement. She loves fried chicken and rice. And so that's what we're cooking. Like I said, I grew up eating fried chicken, if not every day, probably every other day. I'm still alive. I'm a pirate looking at 50. It's like this. If loving you is wrong, I don't want to be right. See, Forrest G has mastered the ABCs, 1 to 10, the simplistic stuff. I mean, this dude needs a bigger challenge. We got to take him up from 1 to 100 now with the numbers. That's his next project. He can do 1 to 100, like he can do the ABCs, and we'll take him from there. Nothing's gonna stop us. Nothing's gonna stop us now. All that I need is you. Yay, Mama Tima. Yeah, watch some violations, baby. I'm gonna charge you 20 pesos.
19, 20, 21. Forrest, listen. Listen, Forrest.
You don't need to listen. He's studying.
20, 21.
Watch him. He'll do it. He said, I don't need to listen to you, woman. I'm just going to rearrange them over here. Don't worry about it. I got it. $5. $5 as he puts them together. Hey, brush violation.
Punta tayo doon. Hanapin mo yung A, tapos lagay mo dito. Asan ba yung A?
Folks, it's a beautiful life. I got 2 3-year-olds. Now this will be 4 soon.
Lagay doon.
Right now they're both 3. If you just joining me, they're not from the same mother. They're from different mothers.
Yung B?
That's that boy's mother right there. And then her mother's down in Las Piñas. Right now, they're both 3 years old, and she'll be 4 soon. That's it, son. Get to 25, buddy. 25, son. Yay, Maria. Look for the H. Look for the H. You sleepy? Oh, you got to finish your ABCs first. Good job for us, G.
Where's the 26? 26.
Sweetie, you eat, then do sleep. It's all about the money, money, money. Give me all your money, money, money. Everybody's got a price. I sleep at night. It's all about the money, money, money. Wait a minute, you mix the sticky rice with the regular rice? All right, baby. Let's see what we're coming out with here. Little culinary exploration going on. I'm proud of you. Oh, yeah, perfect. I think you just cut the heat off. Put them on that hot grill, a hot grate, and then they don't burn. Oh, yeah. Starting to toast it up. Cha-ching, cha-ching, about to cha-ching, cha-ching. Yeah, much better than the fried bread from last time. Too much what? Yada, 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 yada. www.bullshit.com. Oh! Go, sweetie. That's what we're working with tonight, folks. Truly blessed. I mean, how does it feel to be an international sex symbol, but you still have to clean my CR every morning? You're a Hollywood movie star. Makes me think of that movie called MAID in Manhattan. J.LO. And baby, your booty's getting big as J.LO. I might change your nickname. What, baby?
I'm busy.
Huh?
I'm busy.
Baby, I'm trying to make an award-winning YouTube video. Filipina wife number 2. I made me a chicken sandwich this morning with my leftover fried chicken last night. And folks, that is delicious. And she even cut that thing preaching style. And she's starting to catch on to what a redneck loves. They don't want to scoot over. Maria, can Papa sit by you? Oh, over there? Okay, my goodness.